So method number 2, the way I usually do it, I switch on the box first and then I switch on the printer. Andy in his email today explained to me that this is not working because the box will not connect to the printer. Let's see if this is true. I will pause again. Something is happening. Okay, it seems that the printer has a connection to the box. That's interesting. Everything seems to be working fine. Okay, so this works. Interestingly, Andy told me that switching on the box first and then the printer will not work because there will be no connection between the printer and box. That's interesting.